The realm of digital marketing presents abundant avenues for generating income. From leveraging social media platforms to creating compelling online campaigns, it opens doors to diverse revenue streams. Explore the myriad opportunities available in this dynamic field to grow your earnings and reach new heights in your business ventures. Here are several lucrative opportunities in digital marketing. Number one, content creating. Whether creating articles, social media posts, or video scripts, content writers have the flexibility to work independently or for companies. Freelancers typically charge between 10 to 50 cents per word, depending on expertise and project scope. Number two, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services through affiliate links and earning commissions for every sale generated. It's a popular choice for those looking to monetize online traffic through their blogs, websites, or social media platforms. Number three, YouTube Advertising Partner. By joining the YouTube Partner Program, creators can monetize their channels through advertisements displayed on their videos. This program allows YouTubers to earn revenue based on ad views and clicks, making it a viable income stream for content creators. Number four, freelancing services. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide opportunities to offer digital marketing services such as SEO, social media management, and content creation on a freelance basis. Freelancers can build a client base, set their rates, and work on projects that align with their skills and interests. Number five, blogging on paid platforms. Write insightful and engaging content on platforms such as Medium or Substack. Bloggers can monetize their posts through various methods like earning based on views, subscriptions, or using paywalls to generate income from readers. Number six, digital project creation. Create and market digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software tools. These products can be sold directly to consumers or through platforms like Udemy or Teachable, providing passive income potential. Number seven, consulting services. Offer specialized digital marketing advice and strategies to businesses seeking to enhance their online presence. Consultants often focus on areas such as SEO, social media marketing, or email campaigns, providing tailored solutions to improve client outcomes. Number eight, SEO services. Provide optimization services to websites aiming to improve their search engine rankings and organic traffic. SEO experts utilize strategies like keyword research, content optimization, and link building to help clients achieve higher visibility online. They typically charge fees based on project scope and desired outcomes. Number nine, social media management. Handle businesses' social media accounts by creating engaging content, interacting with followers, and executing ad campaigns. This role focuses on building brand presence, fostering community engagement, and driving sales through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Number 10, e-commerce specialist. Assist businesses in optimizing their online sales strategies. Responsibilities include enhancing product listings for better visibility, managing advertising campaigns to attract targeted traffic, and ensuring a seamless user experience to maximize conversions on e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Amazon, or WooCommerce. Success in digital marketing demands ongoing learning, staying abreast of industry trends, and expanding professional networks. Choosing a path aligned with personal skills and interests is key to thriving in this dynamic field. Take proactive steps to advance your career and achieve impactful results for clients or employers. Join our vibrant community and be in the know by subscribing to our channel for the latest news and captivating content. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to all the excitement unfolding. Don't miss out on becoming a part of our ever-growing family of informed and engaged.